Hey, latest update on Tesla FSD 13.3 software update, which is upcoming FSD Supervised version. This update, Tesla will improve highway speed and lead vehicle following distances in the upcoming FSD Supervised version 13.3. Tesla FSD 13.2.4 is starting rolling out last night to owners for Cybertruck owners. A13 model is getting FSD 12.6.1 now. Phil Duan is a senior software engineer of Tesla AI team, made a series of comments that this update will in particular target the vehicle speed on the highway and the following distances to a lead vehicle, which are now not adjustable by the user in FSD version 13.
Like an adjective, I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from